everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katie and I'm the organic esthetician. This week we're going to be talking about microcurrent some more. In today's video, I'm highlighting 7E Wellness. We're going to be talking about their Black Friday sales and some fun new updates from the company. If you're new to the channel, my name's Katie. I've been a licensed esthetician in California since 2010. I focus on clean beauty and anti-aging modality. I love devices. I offer electrical facials at my studio in the Napa Valley and in Los Angeles. Here on the channel, I make educational videos explaining the modalities behind all of the fun anti-aging devices that are out there on the market and show you exactly how to use them and who they're best suited for to help you figure out which device is right for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you subscribe. 7E Wellness has 5 different devices available. 3 for at-home use, the MyoLift Mini, the MyoLift Triwave, and the MyoLift QT Plus. And 2 that are professional use only, the MyoLift 600 and the MyoLift MD. So the MyoLift QT Plus is 7E Wellness's at-home handheld option. This is an app-based device. The MyoLift Mini is the first device 7E Wellness launched. It is my personal favorite because the MyoLift Mini uses dual probes and is available for consumers. It's when you use these dual probes on the device's erase program that you're able to stretch and relax tight muscles, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. The MyoLift Mini is my favorite at-home microcurrent device for the treatment of fine lines, specifically because of those dual probes and its erase setting. The Triwave is 7E Wellness's newest launch. It offers the same 2 settings as the MyoLift Mini, along with the same intensity. Both of these devices go up to 400 microamps, but the Triwave has the addition of a 3rd program called Rejuve that activates lymphatic drainage, depuffing, and detoxifying the face. The Triwave also comes with dual probes and is a great option for anyone battling acne or someone who has a lot of fluid retention in the face. So it has that educate, activates the muscles, lifting and contouring the face. The erase mode that stretches and relaxes tight muscles, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. Both of those 2 programs come on all of the devices. So if you're someone who wants to activate the muscle, wants to minimize fine lines and wrinkles, but also needs to depuff or to detoxify the face, the Triwave is going to be a really great option for you. The 2 professional devices from MyoLift offer various treatment programs and 2 different intensity options. The MyoLift 600 is an amped up version of the MyoLift Mini, specifically for professional use because it has that higher intensity. Both of these devices have those 2 programs, educate and erase. They're called something different on the MyoLift 600. They're called long and short. You don't really need to know that. Main difference between these 2 devices is that the MyoLift 600 has an increased intensity of up to 600 microamps, whereas the MyoLift Mini only goes up to 400 microamps. I've been using MyoLift devices for over 5 years now, both on myself and in my treatment room. And when I first started incorporating microcurrent into my facials, I used the MyoLift Mini. I think that this is a really cost-effective starting point for any esthetician new to microcurrent that wants to integrate it into their practice. Once I've introduced all of my clients to microcurrent, got them excited, I then upgraded to the MyoLift 600 to intensify the results I was able to achieve with that MyoLift Mini. After about a year of incorporating the MyoLift 600 into my facials, I decided that I wanted to enhance my microcurrent treatments by offering a longer microcurrent session. This is when I incorporated the MyoLift MD into my facials. This is the device that I still use today. Unlike the MyoLift Mini or the MyoLift 600, the MyoLift MD offers 8 different waveform programs and 7 different preset protocols blending those programs together. Depending on your client's needs, this allows you to either start one of their preset programs or to create a custom program of your own. The MyoLift MD preset programs allow you to spend up to a full hour utilizing microcurrent during your facial. The MyoLift MD's exterior recently got an update. We switched from the original white and green to white and black. I like the way this looks. It's a nice update, and I think it allows the device to blend a little more seamlessly into your treatment room. One of the other great things about the MyoLift devices are all of the various attachments that they offer. They have a conductive gua sha, conductivity gloves, adhesive conductivity masks and patches, along with alligator clips that can be attached to sheet masks. All of these accessories work on every single one of the MyoLift devices, even the QT Plus. Simply plug your lead wire into the bottom of the handheld and then attach it to the attachment of your choice. These attachments give you endless treatment possibilities. I'll talk a little more at length about the sales later in this video, but all of these devices and all of their attachments, along with 70 Wellness's skincare options, are all already on sale. They're running deals from November 17th through the 27th. I already mentioned that the MyoLift Mini is my favorite probe-based at-home microcurrent device. I love using the MyoLift Mini's Erase program with their dual probes to stretch tight muscles and minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Recently, Skin Inc.'s Reader Choice Awards gave MyoLift the award of Best Microcurrent Device, beating out NuFace. Congratulations, MyoLift. Obviously, I'm not the only one in love with your devices. Another cool MyoLift update is over on the MyoLift QT app. The MyoLift QT Smart app just got smarter. There's a brand new AI engine that is included in the app, which allows you to perform an in-depth skin analysis covering 3 categories: wrinkles, firmness, and hydration. By simply taking a photo through the app, this new AI engine analyzes your skin and rates your skin health in these 3 categories. It then shares treatment and product recommendations to help you achieve your goals. Utilizing this new function is a really great way to enhance the microcurrent treatments you might already be doing with your MyoLift QT Plus, in addition to giving you some guidance on specific areas that you might want to focus on to help optimize your at-home microcurrent treatments. This is kind of like having a professional available to look at your skin at a touch of a button. I did it on myself this morning. I took a picture on my bare skin. Please disregard how very tired I look. It then told me that I have a little bit of laxity around my jawline, that I'm a bit dehydrated, which I definitely agree with, and that I have a few fine lines and wrinkles that probably need addressing. I would say pretty accurate. This is definitely an area I'm working on. I'm constantly trying to get in my 132 ounces of water a day. It's a full-time job. And because of that dehydration, I have a little bit of depth around those fine line areas. What are you going to do? If you already have a QT Plus at home, make sure you hop on that app and check out your skin health scores. 70 Wellness is offering site-wide sales from November 17th through the 27th. I'll put a link to 70 Wellness down below, along with my discount code, even though I do not believe that you're able to layer it over sale pricing. One of the cool things that they're offering are holiday bundles, where you can purchase a device or multiple devices, depending on the bundle that you select. These bundles include accessories and skincare products from 70 Wellness. Getting one of these bundles is a really great way to purchase your device. They also have standalone skincare and accessory bundles if you already own one of these MyoLift devices. The MyoLift Triwave is now on sale for the first time ever. So if you had your eye on the Triwave and you were waiting for a sale to happen, now is the time. The sale pricing and bundles are not exclusive to at-home devices. Both the MyoLift 600 and the MD have bundles of their own. If you're a solo esthetician or you own your own spa and you've been wanting to bring in one of these professional microcurrent devices, this is a really great opportunity to do so. Included in these bundles, you'll get the device, back bar product, and all of the accessories that you need to start offering amazing microcurrent services in your own practice. I'm going to put a link to the bundle page down below, along with individual links to my personal favorite bundles 7E Wellness is offering this Black Friday. So many sales and so many deals this holiday season. Thank you, 7E Wellness, for sponsoring today's video, and thank you to all of you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. My Lima laser finally arrived. In next week's video, I'm going to be sharing what the Lima laser actually is and how it's different from traditional LED light therapy. All right, everyone, happy shopping, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.